Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is December 3rd and I am trying to keep up with this Vlogmas situation, but I am not going to be able to post every day. I'm going to try to at least get a video in maybe once every other day or every 3 days. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go to work. Made me some tea and it's so delicious. Really want coffee, but ran out of coffee. Don't feel like I'm gonna get any, but today before I go to work, I'm gonna do a little bit more Christmas decorating. Like I said, I do a lot of layering, so it seemed like the time is coming up really fast though. It's December 3rd, so I really got to get it all together. I do still have some boxes around. I still, like I said, I have to get my curtains up. Once I get that up on Thursday, I cannot wait because I'm gonna do the fireplace, which is one of my favorite parts of decorating for the Christmas holiday. Just do a little bit of decorating before I go to work. So if you're interested in seeing that, just keep watching. This tea is so good, y'all. So honestly, y'all, Ross has been my complete go-to this year. I already had Christmas decorations, but Ross just was coming through this year. And normally I'm at Home Goods if I'm looking for anything, but I don't know. So let me show you a couple more things that I'm going to use from Ross to style my kitchen counter for this holiday season. So I picked up this really big cutting board from Ross, and this was only $18. I love it. It is huge and it was $18. I'm going to use this to style across my kitchen counter. This is a heavy piece of wood. And trust me, if you got this anywhere else, it would have been much more. I also went back to Ross and I found, remember the gold Christmas cones that I got? I have it under my tree in my family room, and I went back to Ross when I got the cutting board and I found 2 more. This one has some pearls on it, but I ended up getting 2 more and I put it under this tree. I'll show you in a minute, but I have 4 in total, and I have 2 under the slim tree in my family room and 2 right here in the morning room. So I was glad to grab these at Ross. Y'all, Ross has been truly coming through this year. Seriously. So I'm going to decorate the kitchen counter and I'm going to use the cutting board, and I have a couple of things from last year that I'm going to decorate with. So I have these 2 reindeers. I had these for a while. I still have the price on it. I got it at Marshall's for about 13 bucks, and this is how it looks. So I had these for a while, and it's a champagne color. It's a champagne color, and they're really cute. Look how dainty they are. And these are my trees from Target that I got last year, and I have 2 pairs of these. So I have a total of 4, and I'm going to use this to do a little simple decor situation over here on my counter. So let me move the camera back so you can see what I'm doing. So y'all, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put the board over here. Go ahead and add the deers. And this is a very simple styling, but I love how it looks. Really simple. Not too fussy. And I like how it looks, y'all. I think it looks really good. I'm also decorating the tree in the front room, and that tree is so dark in that room. It's really hard to record in there. So y'all, that's the really simple styling for today. how is everything going with y'all? How is everything going as far as your Christmas decorating? For me, it's going fairly well. I feel like I'm really behind on it though. But this weekend, I'm not gonna have the time. So in the mornings, I'm gonna try to get piece by piece done before I go to work. But most likely, I think I'll be good by next week. Everything will be done, everything will be up. So a real quick tip, y'all. So y'all know I've been trying to build my YouTube channel like we all are. And I think the first Christmas vlog, I think the first Christmas series video that I did, when I loaded it, it wasn't really getting any views, y'all. So it wasn't getting any views. And I changed the thumbnail. I changed it twice, matter of fact. I changed it the first time, and when I changed it the first time, I really didn't see any difference. But then I did another thumbnail, and I don't know, all of a sudden that video just started getting the views, and you know, it was wow. So it's true. If your video is not getting that traction, and I'm not no big channel, I'm a very little channel, and I get views here and there, but I see little tricks that I see, the little strategies that, you know, YouTube talks about. Change the thumbnail and that might get you some more traction on your video. And yeah, I'm not here to give all them tips. I know I gave some tips about monetizing my channel, but that had nothing to do with me telling you what to do. That's a challenge for myself, that I wanted to make sure I get some videos up so I could get my channel monetized, and I just shared those tips with you. But try different strategies and yeah, do what works for you. But enough of that. That was the Christmas decor for this morning. I'm getting ready to go to work, and I will see y'all on the next video. Peace.